The humble wagon is a dying breed on Australian roads where SUVs outsell traditional passenger cars by 2 to 1. But we reckon the trusty station wagon still has so much to offer, and this is one of the best. Let me convince you. Sedans and wagons are fighting an uphill battle as Aussie buyers are lured by the space and versatility of an SUV. We get it. But the Mazda6 GT SP wagon may make you think twice about the benefits of wagon life before you go and buy an SUV. Priced from $34,590 and topping out at $51,390, the Mazda6 range consists of 8 variants that offer sedan and wagon body styles. The Mazda6 GT SP wagon on test sits towards the top of the range, priced from $47,990 plus on-road costs. The reasons the wagon has been a family favourite for decades has not changed. In fact, if anything, it's improved, as evidenced by Mazda's flagship wagon, its answer to the likes of BMW's 3 Series Touring. The Mazda 6 is well proportioned, set off by 19-inch alloys, chrome accents, roof rails, LEDs front and rear, as well as LED daytime running lights. Entry-level Sport and Touring are powered by a 2.5-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, while the GT SP and Atenza add a turbocharged unit. There's no diesel on offer. All Mazda 6 are matched to a 6-speed automatic gearbox and send power to the front wheels. A 0 to 100 km/h time of 7 seconds isn't bad either. This is really nice. It's certainly got a premium feel to it. Soft surfaces and quality materials throughout make the cabin a really nice and comfortable place to be. There's also electric adjust heated leather seats, dual zone climate control, and the layout is great, ergonomically excellent. There's good storage and it's a well thought out design. There's an electric park brake, paddle shifters, idle stop technology, and a push button start. Mazda's tech user interface continues to be one of the best out there. It's both simple and intuitive. Better still, you can use the rotary dial or the touchscreen. Big thumbs up. The 8-inch touchscreen sits proud of the dash and features AM, FM digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite navigation, Bluetooth and voice control, and an 11-speaker Bose sound system. Driver assist and safety technology is extensive on top of those ones listed. It also gets front and rear parking sensors, head-up display, high beam control and autonomous emergency braking that also includes forward collision warning and traffic sign recognition. And let's not forget oddment storage. You've got 2 cup holders here in a sensible position, a lidded armrest with your charge points and a 12-volt outlet, and some extra storage here. Overall, it's pretty good. The second row is really comfortable and it's got great headroom and legroom. It's generous for 2 passengers and not bad for 3. There's a nice big armrest with 2 cup holders. You'll find a button for your seat warmer here, as well as 2 USB outlets. There are 2 directional air vents and seat back pockets. The boot is large. It has 2 sturdy bag hooks, tie down points, a 12-volt outlet, a light, but there's no electric tailgate. An integrated cargo cover that lifts with the tailgate is great, and you've also got a divider net for added safety. 60/40 split fold seats increase the load space and versatility. Now it's time to find out how it drives. I'm really enjoying my time behind the wheel. If I had to sum it up in one word, I would say effortless. I'd happily take a really long road trip in this car. The 2.5-litre turbocharged unit is a great match for this vehicle. It's quick off the mark and skips through the gears effortlessly, whether left to its own devices or using the paddle shifts. Sport mode improves feel at the wheel and engine response. To that point, overall ride comfort is a highlight of the Mazda 6. The suspension feels fit for purpose, not too hard, not too soft. It rides over bumps with ease and the cabin is incredibly quiet. It won't sting you at the Bowser either. The Mazda 6 delivers high levels of comfort without sacrificing behind the wheel engagement. It is a great steer. Outward vision is really good, but it never hurts to have a reversing camera. And the one in the Mazda 6 is really good, crystal clear. Front and rear sensors are an added help. The Mazda 6 wagon boasts the space and versatility that people my age grew up with in a family car, and then some. class-leading refinement, drivability and user-friendliness, quality fit and finish, great safety tech, room for 5 people and all of their gear, it ticks a lot of boxes. It's no SUV, but don't try and tell me you're not a little more inclined to put the Mazda 6 Wagon on your shopping list.